Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to talk about a silent enemy that most of us don't even know we have. Sarcopenia, also known as the silent muscle thief. Have you noticed it's harder to open a jar? Do you get tired more quickly climbing stairs? Does it take more effort to get up from your chair? Many accept this as natural part of getting older. But unfortunately, we are mistaken. These could be early warning signs of sarcopenia, the progressive loss of muscle mass and strength. It affects millions of people over age 65. Sarcopenia doesn't just affect physical appearance. It's a hidden thief that steals our independence. Suddenly, you can't carry grocery bags anymore. Playing with grandchildren becomes exhausting. Simple daily tasks feel like huge efforts. This is how we start losing our autonomy. But here is the most hopeful part. Sarcopenia is not our destiny. This condition is preventable and reversible. This video will show you how to fight this thief, how to protect your muscles effectively, and how to stay in control of your life. Get ready for practical, science-based strategies. You'll learn to stay strong at any age. Simple changes to eating habits and exercises can fundamentally change your muscle health. Your guide to live your golden years fully. Keep watching and discover how you can strengthen your future starting today. After all, a strong future begins with... So, what exactly is sarcopenia? The word comes from Greek, sarx, flesh, muscle, and penia, poverty, truly living up to its name. It's the progressive, age-related loss of muscle mass, strength, and function. This isn't just general weakness. It's a recognized medical condition by the WHO. It seriously impacts mobility, balance, and independence. While often considered natural aging, it's a disease that can be managed. Muscle loss typically begins around age 40. It progresses slowly at first, taking about 8% of muscle mass per decade. It's not just about muscle size shrinking. After age 65, this speed doubles. Muscle fiber quality also deteriorates. The nerve-muscle connection weakens. Your muscles can't respond as strongly or quickly. This shows in simple daily tasks. Getting up from a chair becomes difficult. Carrying bags or climbing stairs is challenging. Balance becomes harder to maintain. Muscle loss slows down metabolism. The body burns fewer calories, risking weight gain. Most dangerously, it increases fall risk. Weakened muscles can't provide quick reflexes. This can lead to serious injuries and fractures. Understanding sarcopenia is your first defense. Distinguishing its signs from general fatigue is vital. Early diagnosis means protecting your physical health, your mental well-being, and your overall quality of life. 3. Causes and risk factors. So why does this muscle loss happen? A single cause doesn't lead to sarcopenia. Multiple factors come together to set the stage. Hormonal changes are one big factor. Growth hormone and testosterone decrease with age. These play a key role in muscle repair. Another factor is chronic inflammation. It increases breakdown of muscle proteins. Inadequate protein intake is major risk. Muscles need amino acids as building blocks. If you don't consume enough protein, your body breaks down muscle tissue for fuel. Physical inactivity is an important trigger. Our bodies use it or lose it principle. When you don't work muscles, body decides it's unnecessary. Prolonged bed rest increases loss. Certain medications promote muscle wasting. Chronic diseases like diabetes increase risk. Vitamin D deficiency and neurological changes are factors. Genetic predisposition can affect. But good news, most risk factors can be controlled. Right lifestyle changes make difference. 4. Early warning signs. Recognizing early signs is the first critical step. Most see these as normal aging and ignore them. One common sign is decreased functional strength. Needing arm support to rise from a chair is a red flag. Reduced hand grip strength makes tasks challenging. Opening jars or carrying bags becomes difficult. Another key indicator is changed gait. Your walking speed may decrease noticeably. You might lose balance or stumble more often. Leg muscles aren't strong enough for stable support. Unexplained weight loss can signal muscle loss. Since muscle weighs more, scale drops matter. General fatigue and reduced stamina are crucial. Activities once manageable now feel exhausting. Giving up loved hobbies due to physical demand? Your body may be losing muscular power. Physically, thighs and arms may appear thinner. They might feel softer and less firm to touch. Noticing several signs isn't cause for panic, but it is a clear call to take action now. 5. Why it matters. The domino effect. Sarcopenia triggers a dangerous domino effect. It starts with increased risk of falls. Weakened muscles compromise balance and stability. A simple slip can cause devastating fractures. Hip fractures are common and life-altering. They lead to long hospital stays and mobility loss. Loss of independence is the next domino. Daily activities become challenging, requiring help. This leads to reduced autonomy and self-reliance. Many experience social isolation and depression. Metabolic consequences are equally serious. Less muscle means slower metabolism. This can lead to weight gain and insulin resistance. Type 2 diabetes risk increases significantly. A vicious cycle develops. Less activity, more muscle loss. Then slower metabolism, and so on. Hospitalizations become more frequent. Recovery times lengthen. Healthcare costs rise. Ultimately, it impacts emotional well-being and a person's entire sense of self-worth. It can turn vibrant individuals into limited ones. Addressing sarcopenia is about dignity. It's about living life on your own terms. Ignoring it is a risk you can't afford to take. 6. The protein solution. If sarcopenia is the thief, protein is your weapon. It's the foundational building block for muscles. Seniors need more protein than younger adults. Aim for 1.2 to 1.6 grams per kilogram daily. For a 70 kilograms person, that's up to 112 grams a day. Distribute it evenly throughout your day. Your body can only use so much protein at once. Aim for 30 to 40 grams per meal for best results. Greek yogurt with nuts for breakfast. Grilled chicken or fish for lunch provides good protein. Dinner with salmon or lean beef works well. Don't forget plant-based options like lentils. Tofu and quinoa are excellent sources too. Dairy and whey protein are highly effective. For those with poor appetite, try protein shakes. They can help meet daily requirements easily. Consume protein within an hour after exercise. This significantly enhances muscle repair. Remember, protein isn't just for building muscle. It provides essential support for strength. 7. Resistance training, non-negotiable. If protein is the fuel, training is the engine. You must tell your body to build muscle. Strength training stimulates growth pathways. It turns back the clock on your muscles. Start with simple bodyweight exercises. Chair stands and wall push-ups are effective. Seated leg lifts can be done at home. Progress to resistance bands as you get stronger. They're affordable and portable. Weight training twice weekly shows remarkable results. Focus on major muscle groups. Legs, back, chest, and arms need attention. Include squats, lunges, rows, and presses. Proper form matters more than heavy weights. Poor form can lead to injury. Consider working with a physical therapist initially. They can create a safe program. Consistency is more important than intensity. Light, regular training prevents muscle loss. It's never too late to start strengthening. Your muscles will respond at any age. Don't let your age define your capabilities. 8. Crucial nutrients beyond protein. While protein is crucial, other nutrients matter too. Vitamin D is directly linked to muscle strength. Efficiency risks muscle weakness. Maintain levels above 30 Ng per milliliter through sun or supplements. Omega-3 South reduce inflammation, breaking down muscle. Find them in salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds. Creatine enhances strength training benefits. It provides immediate energy for muscle growth. Magnesium supports muscle function and protein synthesis. Find it in leafy greens and nuts. Deficiency can cause cramps and weakness. Vitamin B12 prevents weakness and balance issues. Antioxidants combat oxidative stress. Colorful fruits and vegetables are excellent sources. A senior multivitamin can address gaps. Don't neglect these supporting nutrients for muscles. 9. Putting it all together. Sample routine. Let's create a sustainable daily routine. Combine nutrition and exercise strategically. Morning. Start with high-protein breakfast. Greek yogurt with berries and walnuts. Mid-morning. 10-minute resistance band routine. Bicep curls and leg extensions help. Lunch. Grilled chicken salad with quinoa. Add colorful vegetables for nutrients. Afternoon. Protein shake or hard-boiled egg. Take a short brisk walk after. Dinner. Salmon with sweet potato and broccoli. Excellent protein and nutrient source. Evening. Finish with light stretching. Improves flexibility and relaxation. Weekly. 2 strength sessions, 3 walks. Track progress with functional measures. Time your chair stands and walking speed. Celebrate every small victory you achieve. Adapt exercises for arthritis if needed. A physical therapist can help modify. Consistency matters more than perfection. Modified movement maintains muscle. This isn't about becoming an athlete. It's about sustaining independence long term. 10. When to seek help. Know when to consult a healthcare professional. Seek help if you experience frequent falls. Inability to rise from chairs without assistance. Unexplained weight loss is a warning sign. Progressive weakness affecting daily activities. Start with your primary care physician. They can perform an initial assessment. Rule out other potential causes for symptoms. Your doctor may refer you to specialists. A geriatrician specializes in older adult health. A physical therapist creates safe exercise programs tailored to your specific condition and goals. A dietitian addresses nutritional deficiencies. Helps create protein-rich meal plans. Review all medications with your doctor. Some prescriptions may cause muscle weakness. Diagnostic tests can measure muscle mass. Grip strength and gait speed assessments help. Early intervention yields the best outcomes. Can significantly slow sarcopenia's effects. Taking action is a sign of strength. Professional guidance can reverse muscle loss. 11. Success stories and motivation. Meet Margaret, 78 years young. After 3 months of training, she climbed stairs easily. Her journey began with chair stands. Simple wall push-ups made a big difference. Then there's 82-year-old George. He addressed his protein deficiency with a dietitian. He returned to his beloved garden, an activity he thought was lost forever. These aren't rare exceptions. Research shows seniors of all ages can rebuild muscle. Even those in their 90s see improvement. The key predictor is consistency, not age. Every small effort accumulates. Extra repetitions, additional walks, more protein. These create life-changing results. Preserving strength is about more than numbers. It's about maintaining independence, continuing activities you truly love, enjoying quality time with loved ones, without feeling limited by your body. It's a gift for your future self. Your story can be the next success story. 12. Conclusion. Your strength, your future. Sarcopenia isn't an inevitable sentence of aging. It's a manageable condition you can control. Adequate protein intake preserves muscle mass. Regular resistance training builds strength. Challenge the myth of age-related weakness. Don't accept physical decline as inevitable. Remember these key takeaways. Protein is paramount. 1.2 to 1.6 grams per kilogram daily. Resistance training is non-negotiable. Start with body weight exercises. Progress to weights. Supportive nutrients matter greatly. Vitamin D and omega-3 South are essential. Consistency creates long-term results. Small daily actions compound over time. Start today regardless of your age. Do a few chair stands as beginning. Add a protein-rich snack to your diet. Your strength determines your independence. Share this knowledge with loved ones. Celebrate strength at every life stage. Here's to your vitality ahead. What small step will you take today?